Which lag is longest in monetary policy? Impact lag, recognition lag, decision lag, implementation lag.
Impact lag. The impact lag is the longest lag in monetary policy. Explanation. The impact lag refers to the time it takes for the effects of a monetary policy action to fully manifest in the economy. This is the lag between when a policy change, example, interest rate adjustment, is implemented and when it begins to influence key economic variables like inflation, output, and employment. This lag is lengthy because the effects of monetary policy ripple through the economy via complex channels. Transmission mechanisms. Monetary policy actions first affect financial markets, which then influence investment, consumer spending, and net exports. Business investment cycles. Businesses adjust investment plans slowly, requiring time to assess the new economic conditions and make decisions. Consumer behavior changes. Consumer spending habits are relatively rigid, taking time to react to changing interest rates. Inflation expectations. Inflation expectations play a significant role, meaning economic agents have to adjust to policy changes, which takes time. The other lags contribute to the overall delay, but the impact lag accounts for the most significant portion of the delay between policy action and its real-world impact. Why other options are less suitable? Recognition lag. While important, the recognition lag, the time it takes to recognize an economic problem, like a recession or accelerating inflation, is shorter than the impact lag. Decision lag. The decision lag, the time it takes for policymakers to decide on an appropriate course of action, is also shorter than the impact lag. This will be the result of the recognition lag. Implementation lag. The implementation lag, which involves putting the policy into effect, example, changing the federal funds rate, is generally shorter than the impact lag as well.